I'm Charlotte Skinner, I'm Head of Marketing for VTCT iTec. We are the first in the market with an advanced aesthetic suite of qualifications aimed at people going into level 4 and 5, and that is centred around skin needling, peeling, blemish removal, etc. And forms part of the Career Pathways campaign that we're launching at the moment, which outlines the opportunities available for people in the beauty industry. VTCT iTec is at every professional beauty event. We feel that it's one of the best quality events in the market, bringing together UK and international visitors with an interest and profession in the beauty industry. We are partnering with Professional Beauty for the first time to offer CPD points as part of your certificate of attendance. And CPD points, which are continuous professional development, just shows employers and partners and colleagues and your clients that you have an interest in and an investment in developing your career in beauty. For information on all the education and seminars available during the course of the show, head to the Professional Beauty website and check out what's on the Professional Beauty live stage.